Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back, and today I'm making an unboxing of a new phone, wherein I actually don't have a proper camera to record all my videos. So after few of the research, I got to know this MI 10i is one of the best camera for camera phone for the vlogging and other stuff. Like I do unboxing, I do traveling and other vlogging stuff. So I thought of buying this phone because this has got a vlog option, and I believe this option is one of the best because I did check few of the review on YouTube. Then I have bought this. So I'm gonna make this unboxing, and now it's just an unboxing video. I'm gonna tell you what all you get with this. I know that you have seen other videos, but this is special for me, and I'm gonna just show you what all you get with this and what else. Yeah, that's it. It will be a just simple unboxing video, nothing else. Okay, so let's begin the unboxing.
So this item was delivered from Amazon, so I'm gonna use my knife to unbox. So I have made an unboxing of this particular knife also, just in my channel. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I bought this for my riding purpose because this comes with cutting pin and other things. So let's see. The package looks really good because they have added the cardboard inside, and then they have added the polythene cover. I'm really sorry for the background noise, guys. Yeah, here comes the bill. I got an additional discount of 1000 rupees from my SBI card, which is a credit card. So this is how the box is gonna look. And guys, this will be a simple unboxing video, so I'm not gonna share any detail about this phone. As I said earlier, I have bought this phone only to make videos because I don't have enough money to buy a good camera and then record it. I am trying to improve my video quality and content. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section. So this is how the box is gonna look. Let's open the seal. So you should be very careful when you order something from online. You should check this seal everything, because there may be a chances they may ship the used product also sometimes. So here comes the back cover. Let's keep this away, and here comes the phone. So let's keep the phone away, and here comes here comes the USB cable, which is C type. Okay, this is a little different compared to other MI phone, because the earlier MI phone which I bought, I've got the black color one. And here comes the 33 watt power charger adapter. So that's it, nothing else inside. And let me keep this box away, and it's time to check this back cover. Okay, so you get the back cover, and you get some papers like user instruction manual, and you get a SIM tray over here. So this is standard SIM tray. This is a clear one, which is really good. It actually solves the purpose, and if you can I just actually feel the quality, which is really thick and good, but few people doesn't like to use this back cover. So I feel this is something like a OnePlus, because I earlier bought OnePlus, and looks similar. And let me just take the camera a little close, and it's time to open this cover. And this sunrise color really looks like stunning, guys, when you hold it. And the camera is bumped out, and the back cover gives a protection for the camera. So here comes the 3.5mm jack, and C-type charging port and speaker. You get the fingerprint sensor at the right side, and it works as a button also. And you get the SIM ejector on the left side. So the camera is bumped out, and you can see that cut. It gives a really premium feel and look. So it's time to turn on. so definitely it's gonna take some time to set up everything. So let me just turn on this. Once it's on, then I'm gonna pause this video and go back and complete the settings and come back to you. So it's okay, it says MIUI 12. okay, this is a okay, and it's time to start and complete the settings. So let me just complete the settings first and come get back to you.
So guys, the phone looks really premium and really handy in my hand, because I have used OnePlus 70 Pro. It was my office mobile, so I have to return, and I wanted a similar phone with a similar like bigger display and the camera features. So I bought this mainly for the vlogging purpose, because I don't have more money to invest on a big good camera. Like I said, Canon 200D Mark II is the best for like beginner YouTubers like me. But comparatively to the price, I bought this one. This is really nice, and I've just used it for like 5-10 minutes after setting up. I am really impressed with this. So even the case is really good. The case will protect your camera lens. When you keep your phone down, it will not gonna like scratch or make any damage to your camera lens. So that's it guys for now. Thank you so much for watching. This was a simple unboxing video. I'm gonna use it for another 15 to 20 days and try making some vlog and other things, and I'm gonna come back with the review of this particular mobile. So that's it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're watching for this first time, subscribe my channel and let me know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. So catch you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.